Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install DirectPlay on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, search for Turn Windows Features On or Off. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to go down and locate DirectPlay, or you want to go underneath Legacy Components first, click a little plus next to it, and then check mark DirectPlay and select OK. Give that a moment. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.